Hey, so if Zen Browser keeps showing network errors like no internet, cannot connect, or pages refusing to load even when your Wi-Fi is working, yeah, this is usually caused by DNS issues. Proxy settings or browser conflicts. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser network error step by step. All right, first, make sure your internet is actually working by opening another app or website. Now close Zen Browser completely and reopen it to refresh the network session. If the issue continues, restart your Wi-Fi router to reset your network connection. Proxy settings can block internet access, so make sure they are turned off in your system settings. Flushing DNS removes outdated network data that can cause connection errors. VPNs or firewalls can sometimes block browser traffic, so temporarily disable them. Corrupted cache files may also trigger network errors, so clear your browsing data. Make sure Zen Browser is fully updated because older versions may have network bugs. If nothing works, reinstall Zen Browser completely to reset all network-related settings. And yeah, that's it. These fixes should help resolve most Zen Browser network errors and get you back online.